As you can see, this channel made around $9,000 in a single month only from YouTube ad revenue last month. And this channel right here is making around $26,000 per month with YouTube automation. Now, maybe you're thinking, well, I don't know what the hell YouTube automation is, or maybe you know what YouTube automation is, but you don't know what Automation 2.0 is. Yes, that's a new thing I'll tell you about, which requires zero investments to make money on YouTube, so stay tuned. In today's video, I'll show you how you can achieve the same results too. Also, I'm going to explain the concept behind this business model, as well as some channel examples which are doing it correctly. If you're curious and want to learn about YouTube Automation 2.0, which leads to generating money from YouTube in the simplest way possible with no investment, then watch this video all the way through. Now let me get right into it by explaining what YouTube automation is. I'm sure we've all heard of the classic YouTube method. You film yourself, create your own videos, upload them, and hope that people will like you, and you will become famous and make money from it. Consider people like Mr. Beast, KSI, Logan Paul. They'd all film themselves, became famous, have a large number of subscribers, and make money through brand deals, promotions, their own business, YouTube AdSense, and stuff like that. That is one approach. But let me introduce you to YouTube automation, a business model in which you don't need to be the channel star, you don't need to show your face, you don't need to make your own videos. You can do this in a way where you're essentially just building a video production media company, instead of just filming yourself or creating videos in which you show your own face. Let me show you how this works. Now this right there is a channel called The Richest. You can see they've got 15 million subscribers, and this channel is all about luxury, how millionaires spend their money, and stuff like that. However, if I click on one of these videos, what you'll notice is that in these videos there is no one that's showing his or her face. All of these people right there are from stock footage or online videos they got it from. So, now if I just fast forward through this video, you'll notice that it's just stock footage and pictures of celebrities and other types of clips that you can find online. Now you have to use those clips in your videos without getting in trouble, which means you need to be careful with it. Which tends to mean you can't just take any clip on the internet and use it for yourself. No, you can't do that. You must ensure that it is fair use. However, as you can see that they've built their entire channel based on that model. Let me explain how it works. Instead of filming yourself, you hire someone to write a script for you, someone to do a voiceover, someone to edit, and someone to create a thumbnail. A thumbnail is a picture that you see right here before clicking on a video. If you combine all of those 4 content layers, you'll get a full video like this that you can upload to your channel. For example, you could pay a video team to create a video like this. Now bear with me guys, I will tell you how you can do this for free and with minimal effort. Now, if you take an example of this kind of video, which is from the Magnates Media YouTube channel, you can see this is a high-quality, well-produced YouTube automation video where nobody is showing their face. So, if you want to outsource everything to make this video, the price is likely to be slightly higher than usual. Let's say you've got $50 to spend on a video for outsourcing, and you pay $15 for the scriptwriter, $10 for the voiceover, $15 for the editor, and $10 for the thumbnail artist. And that's how you've got yourself a full video, where you don't show your face. So instead of treating this as a video creator thing, you're kind of treating it as a business where you pay for a video. You then upload that video in order to receive revenue once your channel is monetized, and you keep the majority of the profit. Now this channel is getting a lot of views. They're getting about 1.3 million views per month. And if you multiply that by, say, $7 per 1,000 views, you can tell they're making like $9,000 from YouTube ad revenue only. And you can see that these videos are easy to do. So that's why it actually does work. Now, in order to get this going, I recommend using an Upwork or Fiverr-like platform to find freelancers, such as scriptwriters, editors, and all of the other things I mentioned previously. Now let's address the real issue that we face. So, when we first start out, most people have no money to invest and want to do all of this automation by themselves, right? So to address that issue, I'll show you an overlay solution which I called Automation 2.0. So in simple terms, I'm going to show you how you want to begin your Automation 2.0 journey, step by step. Now in these steps, I'm going to mention some websites that will be required to succeed in this Automation 2.0 process. So I'll paste those links in the description. Now, let's jump into it. Step 1. Find your niche. You can't just make random videos on your channel. For example, if you make a video about stock marketing, and then another about gardening tips, and then maybe another about gaming, your audience will get confused, and also the YouTube algorithm cannot detect which type of primary audience your videos should target. See the examples here. This channel is entirely dedicated to luxury and entrepreneurship, and this channel is also all about psychology. So pick a niche in which you have some interest. Step 2. YouTube video ideas. So to find your video ideas, follow the channels that are similar to your niche, and see if those channels have a high success rate in their videos or not. For example, in the luxury niche, there are some good channels such as The Richest, Mr. Luxury, and Top Luxury that can be used to find video ideas. If their recent videos have a decent number of views, take that video idea rather than the entire video. Also, look after the channels that are posting frequently. By sorting the most popular, you can find their most popular videos. Also, make evergreen and trending topics based on your niche. In addition, the free version of vidIQ will also provide the vidIQ Daily Ideas section, which will generate you 3 video ideas based on your channel. Step 3. Generating a vid title. Create a memorable title that will evoke feelings of curiosity, fear, or desire in your audience. As you can see here, this video is intriguing because I really want to see what would happen if everyone lived in a building. Also, the title is a bit of a mix of fear and curiosity. So, for the title, look up what your competitors' channels are doing and make it distinctive by including curiosity, fear, or desire. Step 4. Script writing for YouTube videos. Finding an article and rewriting it is the best way to get your script done for free. Assume we have an article about the top 10 luxury cars in the world, and we want to make a video about it. But we can't just copy the article because it's protected by copyright. So instead of copying, you can rephrase it with a free paraphrasing tool like Quillbot.com and read it to yourself to make sure you understand it. You can also look up more than one article, mix it up, and then rewrite it to create your original script. Step 5. Free photos and clips. So for images and videos, Pexels and Pixabay are the best places to find high-quality stock footage. Also, if you are using any clips from YouTube, then make sure it's fair use. You can refer to this video right here from Magnates Media to understand what is fair use. I will put that video link in my description. Also, Pixabay has a large collection of audio files for use as background music. Step 6. Voiceover. But before that, if you found this video useful yet, please subscribe to this channel and leave a comment below that I will crush the YouTube algorithm. Now back to the point. While to generate voiceover, you can now use Clipchamp.com to convert your script into an automated AI voice sound like this.
The Ghost was a line in the sand for Rolls-Royce when it appeared in 2009, the beginning of a transformation that took the company's annual production volume from hundreds of to several thousand cars per year.
Step 7. Video editing. So, to my opinion, Canva is the best beginner-friendly video editing website for beginners. You can do a lot with it, from animating text to adding elements. Clipchamp is also capable of video editing, which is also very convenient for beginners. Step 8. Thumbnail design. Canva is also excellent for creating thumbnails in my opinion. Go to Canva and select YouTube thumbnail design. You will be presented with a variety of templates. Just a quick tip: keep your thumbnail simple and clean by not including too much text and imagery. There you have it, man! You finished the YouTube Automation 2.0 process. Congratulations! With this system, you can easily make money from YouTube. Now in near future, I will make all those individual steps in detailed videos of how to do it from scratch. So subscribe and turn the notifications on. Now, once you've been monetized and earning money from YouTube, I recommend investing some money in outsourcing this process, which will free up your time and speed up the process of creating content for your channel. And remember, all of the websites mentioned above are completely free to use. It's not like there's a free trial or anything, so have fun. Now, in order to succeed with this system, you must do 2 things. 1. Be consistent with your YouTube automation journey and never give up. And 2. Watch this video right now to learn which niches are currently the most profitable. So click here right now to get a head start on your YouTube automation journey, and I'm hoping to see you there.